Kinda fell off track, started thinking about regrets and doubts, the hovering and the smothering, trapped